To register as a new member, start by typing the website's URL into your internet browser. Then click on the first link that appears. Next, click on the three-line bar and select the contact option. Scroll down and fill out the required information. Then click the Get in Touch button. The customer team will contact you with the necessary details. Once you have this information, you can proceed to fill out the registration form. And upon completion, you will be successfully registered as a new member. If you already have an account, logging in is straightforward. Return to the website's page. Click on the three-bar icon again and select the login option. Enter your username. Click Next. Then provide your password, and you will be signed into your account. The website offers various business solutions, including N2L payments and financial management data, all accessible from the internet browser.